guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious fried pumpkin with shrimp. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some freshly chopped pumpkin, and I have my shrimp here that I went ahead and seasoned. I will be using some onions, garlic, green onions, cilantro, some hot peppers. I have brown sugar, some geera or cumin, black pepper, complete seasoning, and chicken bouillon. Let's jump right into it. So here's how I seasoned my shrimp. First, I washed in lemon juice and I used some Old Bay seasoning, some black pepper, complete seasoning, and some of my homemade green seasoning. You guys should know the routine by now. What we'll do is add all the seasonings to the shrimp, mix until well combined, and set aside to marinate for about 15 minutes. Here in my preheated pot, I did add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I'll go in with the shrimp. We'll let the shrimp cook for about 5 minutes. So now we'll go ahead and remove the shrimp, and then we'll proceed with the next step. In the same pan, we'll now add our onions, garlic, our scallions, and the peppers. We'll let this go for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add our pumpkin here. Then we'll add our seasonings to add flavor and taste to the dish. This is the part where we'll also add our brown sugar just to boost the flavor up in the pumpkin a bit. You know, pumpkin is supposed to taste sweet, so the sugar just brings the sweetness out a bit more. And we'll mix everything all really well, and then we'll place our lid on here and allow the pumpkin to cook until it is super tender to where it is mushy. That's how I like my pumpkin, but if you like yours a different way, you can cook it to your own preference. So 10 minutes in, you want to go in there and give the pumpkin a little stir to make sure that nothing is sticking and everything is cooking evenly. Now some pumpkins are dry, but this one is very watery, as you can see. I don't have to add any liquid here to help with the cooking process. So what I'll do is cover this back and allow it to simmer until my pumpkin is all soft and mushy. So 15 minutes, we are now checking again, and this is exactly how I like my pumpkin. This is perfect for me. So what I'll do next is add my shrimp in here, and I let the shrimp cook for about 2 more minutes so that it can absorb the delicious pumpkin flavors, and then we'll be ready to serve. And lastly, we'll add our fresh cilantro. And this is it, guys. This is how I make a super delicious fried pumpkin with shrimp. Now I'll plate this up and I'll be back with the finished product. Okay guys, so this is my version of a super delicious fried pumpkin with shrimp. Usually I'll have this with some roti, but I wasn't in the mood for roti today, so I'll have it with some dal and rice. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget guys, hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!